Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing a simple home remedy to treat cracked heels. For this recipe, I am using shea butter. I am using Luxurious Sciences shea butter here. You can use any shea butter of your choice. I am also leaving the link of this product in the description box. Shea butter is rich in fats which helps to moisturize skin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties which reduces redness of dry cracked heat. It also contains antioxidants. It has healing benefits which heals cracks of your feet and makes them healthy. It also has skin smoothing properties and it is also anti-infective. And the next ingredient here I am using is vitamin E capsules. I am using Avion 400 vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E is great for hydrating skin, so it helps in moisturizing dry, cracked feet. Here I am using 1 spoon of shea butter and 1 vitamin E capsule. You can take as much quantity as you need. These two ingredients together works as a super hydrating agent. Mix this well. You can also mix more quantity of this and store it. You can store it for a week. You can apply this mixture using a cotton bud or using your fingers. Apply this mixture by massaging it gently on your feet. Massage until it absorbs well. You need to apply this twice every day to get better results. This helps to heal your cracked feet and also makes it super soft and smooth. This can be applied by anyone. It does not have any side effects. As these are natural ingredients, it is safe to use. So guys, this is a very simple and effective home remedy you can try at home to treat dry cracked heels. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.